Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Over the years, I've shared these files with many people. And today I was doing one for somebody for the Air Force. And this engraved, and it looked really good, but these letters were so small that when you sanded them, they kind of sanded away. They still look okay, don't get me wrong. But I made a new one with no engraving on the inside. I might even add a circle between the stars. And as you can see, the letters, the picture does it no justice. So this is the Air Force. I've gone through and fixed most of them. Like here's the Army. It used to have some hairlines in it, but still, if you ask, I'm going to put my email at the bottom of this video, and feel free to ask me for these files. I mean, I've got the Marine Corps, I've got the Air Force twice now. I would suggest doing this one. And I actually do have a line there, but it must be a hairline, so it didn't engrave. And I'm going to show you, of all the crosses I make, 9 times out of 10, people want this one. It's fragile, but it's something special. Now, this one right here, you do a deal called engraving it twice, and I'm going to go over that in just a second. But on all these military ones that are a little bit illegal, but as long as you don't tell where you got it. I mean, there's the Jesus face, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And the Army one looks really good, but look at the difference. This one looks cool, but this one is more readable because it's sandable. You can't really sand very much without taking away those letters. So I've got this file saved as X7. So I'm going to delete. Well, I'm going to do this one first. So when you use it in your laser, see these are in 2 parts. I'm going to try to grab it all. When you put this in your laser, let's make 2 copies. Whoop, that one's not grouped together either. I need to group it together, and I'll do all that before I send it to you. So these 2 particular ones, this one you don't have to worry about. This one you don't have to worry about because I have fixed it. There's no hairlines. So you could, what you do, you put the name of a couple, you know, maybe the man over here and the woman over there, and put the dates, just like in here. I use Comic Stand, I think, is the font, but you can use any font. And I always try to make that a little bit littler. And I've actually changed that. My sister, I made some crosses for my sister. And I never have liked the 2 also. So I started putting a tilde in that spot. And I might even make, before I say the file again, I might do that and have both of them. You can take your pick. But when you're running these, so let's move all these out of the way. And I will gladly share this one is like inverted. If you were going to do it like on marble or granite, of course you wouldn't be able to cut it out, but it'll look pretty cool. But when you're doing these, let's get that one more out of the way. When you're doing, let's do the face one first. So what you do, you get it ready, you put the name in there, you know, the date, you know, I've got in memory of, and I would put their name right in here. So what I do is I'm going to take that, and if you look at this, I run it at 600 DPI at 50 speed, 100 power, and I'll move that out of the way, a certain amount, and I'll run. As a matter of fact, I don't do that. I'm going to do this. I take this and I cut it out, and I actually put a piece of blue masking tape on and these are really made for 1/8 inch plywood. So I'll take a piece of blue masking tape for 2 reasons. One, it'll hold the wood down, but it also remind me to take blue masking tape and fold it up and take the cross out. So I'll cut this out, and then I'll have a hole, and then I sand it on both sides. And I cut this out, and then Well, actually, you want to do that. I'm sorry. You'd want to run this as a combo job. Run it at, so you put their name up in here and you engrave it deep, like 50 speed, 100 power. Then you have it cut out. Then you take this and move it out of the way. Move that out of the way. It's not actually even there. And then I grab that and I just nudge it back and I run the face at 400 dots per inch at 70 power and 100 speed. And it just gives it a light little kiss on the wood and looks really good. The other ones, I have fixed let me get that out of the way. I have fixed the Army one, but I wouldn't trust any of them. So what I do on these, I will ungroup it, and I'm going to take the cut line away, and I will not do a combo job because there could be a hairline in here. I haven't taken the time to check it all out. So I'll run this, and I'll grade this, and I grade it deep, like 50 power, 100 speed, and then I'll move that out of the way. See, that's a ghost. And then I'll put this back, and if you're nudging, you can just nudge it right back. And then I'll cut it out. And then I'll take it out of the laser and sand it. But feel free to ask for these. I love sharing them. I've drawn them over the years, and I keep getting more and more and more. I started off with this one and then did the face. And I might, before I fix the file, I'll have them all grouped together, and I'll actually put that circle, I'll change that, and let's just do that right now. See, I have to move that out of the way, and it is a hairline. So it's not going to engrave, so I'm going to make it a half a point. And then that way it'll look like a circle. Now I'll group all that together, bring I'll just put it over here, and then it's ready to go. But I don't know for a fact that there's not some hairlines in here. And you could redo the start. I might even fix that little divot right there. But feel free, I'll put my email at the bottom of the video. Feel free to ask for them. I love sharing them. Now, I don't think you're going to make any money off this, but this is pretty much all I do now. I'm a hobbyist, and I do these for deaths, and then I do a baby plaque on a giraffe for births. And I'll share that one with you too. But anyway, this is about crosses. I've drew these, but I never really did anything with them. The Last Supper. This is just cut out, and it is pretty cool, and it's pretty unique. This one's still the favorite. Most of the time on normal deaths that they're not in the military, I'm going to do the face and the Amazing Grace one. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.